Where to find stream key on Twitch? If you want to stream Twitch on Streamlabs or OBS or any other software, then you need to have stream key. So first of all, you need to sign up for an account. You need to click on sign up. You need to enter your username, password and all these details, and you just need to sign up. I have already signed up an account with Twitch, so this is my account. So I need to go here, click here and click on settings. After that you will get this page. You need to click on channel and videos. Once this page is open, you need to click this option in the left hand side, stream, and here is the primary stream key. So it is not showing. You don't click on this one. You just need to click on copy and paste it on any software like OBS, Streamlabs or any other software. There are so many software to stream your Twitch online, so you can just copy this code and paste it there and just start streaming. Hope now you will be able to find the stream key, and in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button friends and subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care.